how to hide and unhide drawings on TradingView. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide or unhide drawings on TradingView. So for hiding drawings, you have to locate the hiding drawings button on the left toolbar, usually within the hide options section, and then you have to click this button will and hide all drawings on the chart. And if you want to hide individual drawings, you have to open the object tree, usually located on the right toolbar, and locate the specific drawings you want to hide and select the drawing, and then click the eye icon or similar to hide it. And for unhiding drawings, you have to if you have hidden all drawings using the hide all drawings button, you can use the show all drawings button, often located in the same area as the hide all drawings button, to make them visible again. And for unhiding individual drawings, you have to open the object tree, find the drawing you want to unhide, click the eye icon or similar to make the drawing visible. And alternatively, in the drawing panel, you have to click show next to the drawings to indicate or indicator you want to unhide. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.